Welcome to QuikHalal, the mobile auditing apps that helps auditors to prepare, plan, execute, and produce halal audit reports. In this video, we will show you how to install QuikHalal on your mobile phone in just a few simple steps. First, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type QuikHalal 3.0 and tap on the search button. Tap on Install and wait for the app to download. Once completed, the QuikHalal app will be ready on your phone. Now tap on the QuikHalal icon to open the app for the first time. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you are new, please contact our admin at 0197-765-075 to create your account. And that's it. You're now ready to use QuikHalal. Log in to QuikHalal now and simplify your halal auditing journey. Visit www.holisticslab.my to know more about our apps.